For my second child, exclusive breastfeeding only with help of Rajika. Ilati pump would have been the option. Hi, my name is Soumya, mother of two. For my first child, நான் வந்து எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவா பம்ப் பண்ணேன். Always in the Facebookல, WhatsAppல, there are so many people wanting breast milk, 1 week baby, preterm baby, and all these things. அது பார்க்கும்போது you can feel the desperation. So I thought, சரி okay, first babyக்கு I couldn't donate, awareness இல்ல. Second babyக்கு I thought, okay, it's time to donate. But I was exclusively breastfeeding. So திருப்பியும் பம்ப் பண்ண வேண்டிய நிலைமை இருந்துச்சு. So I had a strong desire to donate milk. But baby is almost like 2 years and she's already showing signs of weaning by herself, thank God. So on the time I wanted to donate. So what I had to do was pump at the time of weaning. She is weaning, but I'm starting to pump for a week now. And இப்போ second week almost ஆச்சு. And first weekல milk பெருசா ஒண்ணுமே வரல. So I had to follow the schedules, hydrate more. And second week endல I started getting milk. So now I think ஒரு week pump பண்ணதுல I was able to give around 800 ml. And I think maybe இன்னி கொஞ்ச நாள் ராஜிகாட்ட பேசினால I will want to donate more. I don't know. But I'm happy because I was able to do that, and thank you.